Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Presto Cloud on Starburst. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the Presto Cloud login page. Press enter to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, locate the login area. You will find fields for entering your username and password. Input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check that you have entered both correctly. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click the link to initiate the password recovery process. After verifying your credentials, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. Wait for the system to authenticate your details. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Presto Cloud dashboard. Explore the features available on your dashboard. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting. Now you are ready to use Presto Cloud on Starburst. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.